If your book sounds like AI, Amazon will treat it like AI. And that's how books get rejected, and authors lose their accounts. You want something different. You want real, long-term passive income. High-quality nonfiction books that pass AI detection, follow Amazon's rules, stay online for years, and pay you royalties month after month. That's why BookAutoAI exists. Right now, most authors are stuck. They don't understand Amazon's AI rules. If they label their book as AI-generated, they're basically asking Amazon to scrutinize it. If they mark it as AI-assisted while it still fails AI detectors, Amazon's own systems catch it anyway. Either way, they lose. We've seen rejected books, frozen royalties, even terminated KDP accounts. We've helped thousands of authors avoid that. There is a better way. Play by the one rule. What is that one rule? Stay under the radar. Amazon is okay with AI-assisted books. What it doesn't want is obvious, low-quality AI. So your content has to read like a human wrote it, score low enough on AI detection, and truly qualify as AI-assisted. That's exactly what BookAutoAI does. With one click, you get a full nonfiction book that's already humanized. We break AI patterns, rewrite robotic phrasing, and create natural flow and variation, so your book passes AI detection and fits Amazon's AI-assisted category. AI speed, human quality. Humanized AI equals long-term royalties.
Score low
We write
enough
with
on
AI.
AI detection
We make it
and
publishable.
truly qualify
Here's the
as
plan.
AI-assisted.
Step 1, try the demo. Create the demo right now and run it through AI detector, and you'll see what I mean. Step 2, get BookAutoAI. Unlock humanization engine that removes AI fingerprints, make your AI book publishable. Step 3, publish with confidence. Upload books Amazon reads as human-level nonfiction, so they stay online and earn royalties for years. Draft, humanize, publish, save. If you're struggling to create quality nonfiction, if you want a publishing empire that lasts, if you want royalties that keep coming, BookAutoAI is the solution. Get the tool that keeps your writing safe, human compliant, under the radar, and selling long-term. BookAutoAI helps you plant a different kind of tree-safe, compliant books that keep paying you year after year, so you can stop watching dashboards and start watching your life. The people and moments you're really doing this for.
BookAutoAI.com.
Write like a human.
Publish like an author.